Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Crypto Bull channel with me, your host, William. That's right. We've got another one, a good one, a quickie, and it's great news. You're going to want to pay attention to this. But before we get started, as per the usual, I am not a financial advisor. I don't claim to be. I never have, and I never will. So if that's why you're here, you're in the wrong place. We don't do that. We don't tell you what to do with your money. Find someone else to talk about your money with. Here, we talk about cool stuff like what I'm about to tell you. Down in the description, you're going to find everything you need to know about what I'm about to say and anything else we think is cool. Also, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and if you like what you see at the end, click that like button. And hey, tell your friends. Guys, we're going to be talking about Margex. We talk about Margex quite often around here, and they've got more news for you. Guys, they have, well, first, Margex is a derivatives trading platform that is built to make trading simple and, accessible. But they have a bonus thing going on. So bonuses on Margex, you can claim your $50 registration bonus. It's really easy. I'm going to show you real quick. Let me pop up here and pop up my screen again. I did for you guys. All right, so you can sign up with Margex. All right, just so you know, guys, real quick. I don't know why, but it's not in English. So if you know what language this is, you can let me know in the comment section down below. I figured it out though. You're gonna go in, you're gonna sign up. Once you guys sign up, it's really easy to do that. You're gonna make your first deposit, guys. That's right. And let's see, go to that deposit section. I should be getting there soon. There we go. You're gonna make your first deposit when you go to Margex, and when you do, you're going to want to put in the promo code social gains. That's right, social gains. You can click that promo code, put it in there, and instantly get 20% more on your account. That's right, 20% more. So it's that easy. That's all you got to do. You got to open that account with the link and in the description, and you'll get $50 right away. Then make your first deposit and use the promo code social gains and get that 20% more in your account. That's it. Sign up, claim your $50 bonus deposit, and boost with social gains. Short, simple, ready to trade, guys. All right, that's all I gotta tell you. Margex, guys, do it right now. Hit the description. My name is William. This is the Crypto Bull channel. I'll see you in the next one. Stay amazing, stay classy. Peace.